Greetings, 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 greetings. It's another beautiful day, ladies and gentlemen, with Infinity Construction and Restoration. Now, if you haven't noticed, I think I might have mentioned in the last video when I uploaded the video of the concrete, we're gonna do one more final grading, and this is what you got right here. The final grading for Infinity Construction on this property here. Leveling everything out. We got a little surprise that I'm gonna show you. Nice people here in a few when everything is done. But yeah, this is what you want to see here. This is how Infinity Construction do it. We work hard, we do a good job, and we always looking for ways to improve. There's no know-it-alls here. But you see, we're making it happen. I'm gonna go ahead and mosey on around towards the back here, just to take a small little look here, see what we've done thus far. But it's coming along. It's really coming along. There we go right there. We got the Mr. Dowdy right there. That's the GC. And as you see, we doing it. All right. Getting everything nice. Hey, come on, it's Infinity Construction. What else do you think's gonna happen? Everything's getting done right. Look at that. What you want to see? Infinity Construction, building a better tomorrow today. Stay tuned for more to come.